Lab 2 OSINT and Spray Phishing Simulation. My name is Wilfred Makto, and in this penetration testing simulation, I will conducting passive reconnaissance using Matego and OSINT framework. Our target is Microsoft, and I have chosen their CEO, Satya Nadella, as the C-suite focus for the exercise. Let's talk about cyber operating emphasis. We are going to start with a reconnaissance phases, which is the very first stage of cyber operation. In this phase, we gather information without interacting directly with the target systems. This is critical for mapping out an attached surface without setting up any alarms. Also, investigation using Maltego and framework tools. Here, I use Maltego to map connections between domains, emails, and social media accounts. Here is a screenshot of a Maltego graph I create using Microsoft Public domain. From this, I discover a subdomain such as Outlook or Office 365.com, login.microsoftonline.com, and other that could be represent potential attack vector. Using the OSINT framework, I explore public employee profile on LinkedIn and found key executive and project managers who often post about upcoming events, technology, and event travel. One interesting discovery was that Sarah Nadella recently attended a cloud computing summit. His social media profile also lists a philanthropic event and use a predictable email pattern like Sarah Nadella at Microsoft.com, which we confirm based on public GitHub contribution. From our passive recon, here are some potential attack vectors. We have pu- publicly known subdomain and cloud endpoint, predictable email structure, public documents from conference or Microsoft developer events, third-party vendor relationship with less security maturity, executive travel schedule, and public speaking engagement. These findings can help us later in the active reconnaissance and protection phases on the test. Attack surface and vector identifier. Using Mazego, I map Microsoft main domain and related subdomain. Linking helps her, eh, linking help me confirm employee role and find the email format. Satya Nadella recent conference I appear and social media activity gave insight into his schedule and professional focus. Spare phishing email example. Here is a realistic spare phishing email based on my findings. It uses urgent language and a fake internal email address. The message seems official and timely, especially if the user just attend a secure conference. This could lead to credential theft. Legal and Christian ethical consideration. As a Christian and ethical cybersecurity student, it's It's essential to remember that even simulated a cyber attack must be conducted within legal and moral boundaries. Under the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, unauthorized access even during testing is illegal. That's why professional penetration testing always requires a signed contract defining the scope and permission from organizations. From the Christian worldwide, integrity, responsibility, and respect for others' property are critical. Proverbs 10 semicolon 9 says, whoever works in the integrity works securely. That's applied to us as ethical hacker too. We test systems not to cause harm, but to help organizations protect users' data and infrastructure. Our work should reflect a good value and stewardship, protection, and truth. In conclusion, this OSINT activity is showing how much information is available pub- publicly and how it can be weaponized during a cyber operation. As a ethical penetration tester, we must always ensure our actions are legal, scope, and ethical. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you have any question or need clarification on my finding. Thank you.